When we talk about business, one of the key aspects is having a clear concept that people can get a hold of. For example, think about some of the most successful bakeries out there. We can clearly see a connection between the logo, the packaging, the store, and even their online presence follows the same thread. From classic to specialty bakeries or even modern ones, Placeit has everything you need to improve your brand and make it unique. Whether you need to start one from zero or if you already have one, but you want a new image for your business, with Placeit you can create a custom logo that suits you and distinguishes your brand. You will always find creative illustrations made by professional designers, beautiful type fonts that will go along with your concept, and an endless palette of colors that you can mix to come up with your new logo. This cake's not ready yet. Don't wait people to ask your contact information. Walk one step ahead and tell to your customers the right information at hand whenever they need it, with a business card. Create quick, professional, and appealing contact tools for your bakery store. Forget about the hassle and start designing your own business cards like a pro. Cakes, cupcakes, cookies, pretzels, donuts, aprons, or cooking tools are just a few of the beautiful and delicious options that Placeit offers you. Go ahead and experiment with the different templates. Plus, we're constantly updating our material. Add the final frosting with the Placeit flyer templates. Mockups allow the client a real preview of how your bread looks like, the variety of your pastries, your jam flavor collection, or simply where you're located at. The result is a professional flyer that you can share with your business partners and clients. You can add an extra pinch of sugar to your business with the other templates that we have for you. Create t-shirts, maybe as uniforms, or put your logo on a coffee cup, if you already have some coffee or cappuccino service. Don't be afraid to stand out. Placeit will help you to achieve unique results to benefit your business. Have a professional and unified brand image in minutes and find everything you'll need to promote and have a successful business. You already have the ingredients. Placeit will mix them for you.